Hey guys, if you're getting this error here on Black Ops 7 on Game Pass, I will show you how you can fix that. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and then you just need to write installed apps. On install apps, you need to write here Black Ops 7. In my case, I will show you with a different example, but it will be the same. Then press on the three dots. Here, go to advanced options and then scroll down until you see repair button. Press on it. Wait for a couple of seconds and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, press reset. Okay? And then after that, look if the problem persists. And if it's not working, then you need to try to launch Black Ops 7 as admin. So go on search, then you need to look for Black Ops 7 and then right click on it and run as admin and look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then go to Xbox app, look for Black Ops 7, then press on three dots and then press install and reinstall again, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it.